Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to all my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to organize data, and this will be explained in Filipino and English. Key question. How can data be organized to make a valid references? Okay, so we have now organizing qualitative data. When data is collected from a survey or design experiment, they must be organized into a manageable form. Data is not organized is referred to as a raw data. No? So simpleng data lang kapag hindi na organize. Alright. Now, what are the ways to organize data? So, through tables, no? Then, graphs. Okay, isa-isahin natin yan. Sunod. And then, through numerical summaries. Okay, so this is, the following data are obtained in the survey on the number of cell phones possessed by its family. So, itong mga data na ito, we consider this as a raw data kasi hindi pa siya na-organized, no? So, what will be our question? Number one, how many students were surveyed? Ilang estudyante yung na-survey? And how many families have at least two cell phones in their possessions? And how many families have less than four cell phones? So, yung lahat yan, sasagutin natin kapag na-organize natin ang table. Okay? So, let us organize data in frequency distribution table. Step 1, set up a table using 3 columns. So, 3 columns na to parang katulad nito. So, we have here number of cell phones in its family. So, ito ang tawag natin dito. Kapag ito is simple lang, no? Simple frequency distribution table. 1, 2, 3, up to 6. So, that means include 6 families. Tally, no? Yung tinatawag na strokes. And then, dito naman may ang total o yung frequency. So, each item in column 1 is called class of table. So, ito yan. Class of the table. Okay, number 2. Read each item in the row data and mark a stroke or tally in the tally column in the same row as each class. Okay, so we have here a number of families, no? So there are 6 families, and these numbers are the numbers of cell phones, no? All right, so for example, the first family has 3. 3 daw ang kanang cellphone. Try natin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, check na. And in the second family, so, or the class, the second class or 2, we have 7. So, sabi 7 daw, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, check. Yung third has 3, no? 15 cell phones. O 15 families ang may tatlong cellphone, no? Okay, so so ito daw number of cell phones. So ito number of families or class. So total yan of frequency. No? So dito daw 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, check. So, merong 15 na family, tigto tatlo ang cellphone nila, no? Tatlo ang cellphone nila. Meron namang, sabi may 12 doon na family, apat ang cellphone. Tingnan natin, ha, kung 12 nga yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, check. Meron daw naman, no, 8 na family na 5 ang cellphone. Tingnan natin, no. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nasaan yung isa? 8. Okay, 8. Check. At meron daw 6 na or merong 5 family na may 6 na cellphone. Okay, tingnan natin, no? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, check, no? Tama. Yan. Dami na cellphone, di ba? Okay, so, mark every fifth stroke with a cross like, no? So, katulad niya, no? To make the counting easier. So magtatali kayo ng ganyan, mag-stroke kayo. Lalagyan ng ganyan, no? Pinahaba ko lang kanina. So, ganyan dapat, no? Okay. Para madali ang bilang. Okay. So, step 3. Alright. So, the frequency of the class is the number of items each class occurs. So, write down the frequency of each class by counting its corresponding tally marks. So, find the sum of all the frequencies and write it as shown. Okay, guys. So, sabi ko kanina, this is a simple table, no? So, sampling table lang ito. So, kanina nakita natin, ang frequency talaga ng family na isa lang ang cellphone ay 3. May dalawang cellphone ay 7 or 7, and then the family with 3 cellphones is 15. The family na may 4 na cellphone ay 12, at yung family naman na may 5 cellphone ay 8, and then yung 6 na or yung pamilya na may 6 na cellphone ay 5. Okay. So, ang total nila ay 50. So, ibig sabihin, ilang family ang inobserbahan dito o sinorvey? So, there are 9. There are 50. 50 families ang sinorvey or 50 families participated in the survey. Okay. So, this sum serves as the check whether the tallying is correct or not. Okay. So the table form here now is called a frequency table. So ang tawag dito ay frequency table. Now, a frequency table shows a clear and definite information about a set of data. With a frequency table, we can easily know which class has the lowest frequency. So, kung i-ano natin dito, anong class ang may pinakamababang frequency? Siyempre, yung una, no? Yung number 1, tatlong family ay meron tagi-isang cellphone. Sila yung lowest. Sumunod yung um, limang family, no, na mayroon silang anim, pero sana all may anim na cellphone, okay? Pero still, okay? Yan yung so accurate, madaling basahin ang information, no? Yung table. Now, let us answer now the question. Okay, yung question number 1 natin, how many students were surveyed? So, binilang natin kanina, there are 50 family, 50 students, no? In its family. So, yan. So, 50 students. Number 2, how many families have at least 2 cell phones in their positions? So, there are 7 families na merong dalawang cellphones sa kanilang position. And how many families have less than 4 cell phones? There are 25. No? Kasi yung um, 3, no? Meron lang siyang 15 plus yung 7 tsaka yung tatlo. There are 25. Alright? So, madali ba? Mahirap. Okay. Guys, pag naka-table na siya, madali nang basahin. So, yun yung pag-aralan natin kung paano sulat into table. Ha? So, okay. One, subscribe. 2, like. Share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Okay, so that's all. For anything else, a mega love shout out to all the super charters and members of this channel. You know who you are. I love you all, and to all the supporters, the YTC Team International and the Team Solid Family and the Team Organic Barkada. Thank you all, and sa aking mga kabraso dyan, sa Team Pinay Australia TV and sa team ni Teacher Fe Squad. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta. Nawa po, wag kayong Bye-bye. I love you all.